Dream. The little girl, the snow girl. Oh, you sleep, darling, sorry. Oh, Ariel's boy, Dream's boy, Ariel's little snow girl, Dream's silver boy. Oh, and our gorgeous charcoal boy. Brown girl, brown girl, brown boy, another brown girl here. Oh, you tired? Are you yawning? That was a big yawn. That was a big yawn you did. Yeah. So this is Dream's little silver snow. That is you're going to be a silver snow charcoal by the looks of it. Look at your face. This is Ariel's snow boy. Beautiful markings, absolutely beautiful markings. I would say better than Snowball's markings. Let's look at your face. Beautiful face. So that Ariel's little silver snow. And here's our little charcoal. Hang on a minute, sweetheart. Here's our little charcoal. You gorgeous boy. Are you a gorgeous boy? Are you? You're the most gorgeous boy. Hey, gorgeous boy. There's Dream. There's Ariel eating Dream. I love his paws. His paws have got little white bits on them like Dreams. They're just amazing. He's amazing. Absolutely stunning. Just like your mummy. Yeah. You talking to me?